Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. In this video, we're going to have a look at the bowline versus the cowboy bowline. Most people know the common bowline is a simple knot used to form a fixed loop at the end of a rope. It's a popular knot because it has the virtues of being both easy to tie and untie, even after being subjected to a heavy load. You may have seen a few different ways to tie a bowline. Regardless of the method, when finished, the outcome is the same, a fixed loop knot with the tail end inside the loop. Although the bowline is widely used, its advantage as being a knot that's easily untied also becomes its danger, because if the loop is not loaded, or in some cases if the knot is shaken, it can slip. The cowboy bowline is a variation of the common bowline, except that the tail end is on the outside of the loop knot when finished. Let me compare the two knots with another pair of knots, which are the cow's hitch and the girth hitch, seen here. Two practically identical knots, except for the direction in which they're tied. Why a different name, or why tie them differently? Well, I have a video comparing these two, and I'll put a link in the description and at the end of this video. For now, let's focus on the bowline and the cowboy bowline, and how they compare. But first, I want to tell you about a new project I've been working on. It's called the Knot School. The Knot School is a private community for people who are serious about learning knots. Inside the Knot School, we have exclusive, curated content, reduced advertising and spam, an engaged community showing, telling, and helping each other learn, and other membership perks, including discounts and other projects in development. The Knot School will be launching soon, and right now we're accepting a limited number of new members for early admission. You can find a link to the sign-up form in the description of this video and as a pinned comment in the comments below. I hope to see you there. Now, let's continue with the cowboy bowline. As we saw, some knots are practically the same as others except for the direction they're tied, or very small differences, like the cowboy bowline having its tail end on the outside. It's another fixed loop knot which shares all the same merits of the common bowline. Some people refer to the cowboy bowline as a left-handed bowline. So when should you use a cowboy bowline over a common bowline? Well, because the bowline has the tail end on the inside of a loop, it may interfere when it's tied around an object or a device. So if that's the case, a cowboy bowline with its tail end on the outside of the loop will keep the bowline from fouling up. Likewise, if you need to tie a loop knot, but there are a lot of things it could snag up with, perhaps having the tail end on the inside is a better choice. If you want a bowline that's more secure, then I'd recommend backing up your knot or using an alternative variation like the Eskimo bowline. And I recommend you check out my video, the bowline versus the Eskimo bowline, next. Thanks for watching.